In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use fair value gap indicator on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the indicator to your chart and what you're looking at once it appears, so you can navigate with confidence and keep your workflow simple and clean. First, open TradingView in your browser and load any chart you want to analyze. You can use stocks, crypto, Forex, or futures. This indicator works the same across markets. If you're just exploring, the default chart is perfectly fine. Make sure you can see the main toolbar along the top of the screen, because that's where we'll find what we need. Next, click on Indicators at the top. This opens TradingView's indicator library. It's a searchable panel where you can quickly find built-in tools and community scripts. Don't worry if the list looks long, we're going to filter it with a simple search. In the search box, type Fair Value Gap. You'll see several results appear. Different authors may offer variations, but the general idea is the same. Highlight imbalances in price where the market moved quickly and left a gap of untraded prices between candles. Pick the fair value gap indicator you intended to use from the list so it can be applied to your chart. Click on it and TradingView will immediately add the indicator to your chart. You'll notice shaded boxes or bands appear around certain price areas. Those are the fair value gaps. In simple terms, they're created by a 3-candle sequence where price moves strongly enough that the third candle doesn't overlap the first, leaving an inefficiency in between. Traders watch these zones because price often revisits them later to rebalance liquidity. This doesn't mean the market will always return to every gap, but they do mark areas of interest that can help with planning. Now, click Close on the Indicators panel to get it out of the way. With the panel closed, your chart is clear and the fair value gaps are easy to see. From here, observe how price behaves around those highlighted zones. In an uptrend, bullish gaps below current price may act as potential areas where price could pull back and react. In a downtrend, bearish gaps above current price may serve as possible zones for rejection. Treat these as context, not standalone signals. Many traders combine them with structure, momentum, or higher time frame direction for stronger confluence. That's all there is to adding and viewing the fair value gap indicator on TradingView. Keep your chart clean, take your time reading the zones, and use them to support an informed, disciplined approach.